All right, let's jump right into this explainer for an absolutely gorgeous upcoming summer gathering. So if you're craving some deep Christian fellowship and real personal growth this summer, stick around. Mark your calendars right now. The Summer Full TE event officially kicks off on July 19th, 2026. We're all getting together at the amazing Standing Ovation Cafe right at 3 p.m. sharp. And guys, this afternoon features wisdom from two absolutely incredible guest authors. First up, you'll need Jalea Williams. She's the dynamic founder of Full Bloom Ministry and a higher ed strategist. Plus, you can sip and connect while she hosts a special signing for her newest book, Glory Chasing. You'll also get to meet Dr. Kimberly Flanders, who is just a phenomenal leadership coach. She wrote the brilliant book, Queenly Considerations, giving us a framework to lead exactly like Queen Esther. Readers say her book provides totally transformative, actionable steps to spark that purpose-driven leadership. Now, the whole event is built around 3 really empowering core activities. First up, tea. You'll sip, munch, mingle, and enjoy some really sweet fellowship with like-minded women. Next is testimony. Prepare your heart to hear some incredibly inspiring words of encouragement. Finally, service. We'll put our faith into action by packing summer blessing kits for those in need. Oh, and we absolutely can't forget the amazing artisan bakes provided by Stone Table Provisions. Faith, fellowship, purpose. That totally captures the heart, soul, and ultimate mission of this gathering. Seriously, do not miss out on this incredible opportunity to connect, serve, and grow together. Go ahead and visit bloominginpurpose.com right now to officially register for your spot. So are you ready to take that step, connect, and truly bloom on purpose this summer?